Unlock the power of your crypto by seamlessly moving your USDT from Bybit to Metamask in just a few minutes. First things first, log into your Bybit account. You'll need to navigate to your wallet section, look for assets or wallet in the top navigation bar, and click on it. Once you're in your wallet, locate your USDT balance. You should see a withdrawal button or option associated with it. Click to initiate the withdrawal process. Now, you're on the withdrawal page. Make sure USDT is correctly selected as the cryptocurrency. The crucial step here is choosing the right network for Metamask. You'll most commonly use the ERC20 network if you're transferring to Ethereum, or BEP20 if you're transferring to the Binance Smart Chain. Always confirm which network your Metamask wallet is currently set to. Next, open your Metamask extension or app. You need to find your USDT receiving address. Ensure your Metamask is connected to the same network you selected on Bybit. Click on the account name or details to copy your Metamask address. Head back to Bybit and paste your copied Metamask address into the address field on the withdrawal form. Double check that the address is entered correctly, then input the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal amounts Bybit might have. Before you finalize, review all the details: the amount, the network, and your Metamask address. Bybit will also show you the network fee, often called a gas fee. This can vary depending on network congestion. Once you're satisfied, hit the confirm button. You'll likely be prompted for a security verification, such as an email code or authenticator code. To authorize the withdrawal, complete this step to secure your transaction. Your USDT is now on its way. You can monitor the transaction status in your Bybit withdrawal history. It may take a few minutes to appear in your Metamask wallet, depending on the network speed. And there you have it. Your USDT has successfully transferred from Bybit to your Metamask wallet, ready for you to use in the decentralized world. Secure, simple, and smart.